skies, so beautiful and wonderful. Okay, so hey, this is Ella, and I'm making a video for David, one of my really good friends. And the word of the day is, it's whatever. Here's some examples. You fall down, break your leg. It's whatever. It'll heal. Your mom gets hit by a car. It's whatever. She'll get better. You're on your bike and you fall down face first on the gravel. It's whatever. You'll get better. It's whatever. It's whatever. The sun is shining and it's whatever. It's your favorite word. Here you go. All right. Bye. Yep. All right. It's whatever. Little girl does that. It's whatever. All right. You look tense.